everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope my lovely YouTube family will be fine. We will see the stylish and most beautiful and unique new all best videos and best courses teacher hand embroidery designs on my channel. Please subscribe my channels and press the link in and press the link in you will get notification of all my videos. How much beautiful and unique new all best videos and best courses stitch hand embroidery designs. With border designs, ideas, different fabrics, making all best videos and best courses stitch hand embroidery designs. Guys, for watching my videos, creative and unique new all best videos and best patterns, best hand embroidery designs, ideas, daily on my channel. Creative and unique new all best 2023 unique new crochet stitch hand embroidery designs with border designs, ideas. For watching my videos and to push my channel, supporting me by sharing my videos with your friends, with your relatives. And you will see the stylish, unique, new, all best videos and best crochet stitch hand embroidery designs with border design. Latest unique, new and upcoming, most beautiful, stylish and unique, new, all hand embroidery designs, ideas with border design. All best videos and best border designs ideas to my channel. Skip to my channel. How much beautiful, unique and amazing. Latest unique new and most beautiful all best videos and best hand embroidery designs ideas, modern unique new best patterns and best hand embroidery designs. Creative unique new all best patterns and unique new hand embroidery designs with border designs ideas. Amazing and unique new all best patterns, best border designs, different styles and amazing all hand embroidery designs ideas to my channel. Till the next video guys, and to watch my videos featuring unique new all collections and best patterns, best hand embroidery designs ideas to my channel. For watching my videos, all different videos and different border designs and all best crochet stitch hand embroidery designs. So till the next video guys, and for watch my videos and how much beautiful, unique, outstanding and best patterns, best crochet stitch hand embroidery designs. Till the next video guys, and for watch my videos. So till the next video, see you soon guys. Allah Hafiz.